Hello and welcome to this user guide on Norakle. Today we're going to be looking at how to generate invoice for customers. So when you come here, you see sales, sales. So once you move to your right, you click on invoice. So we click on new invoice, that is to generate a new invoice. So we fill in the customer's details, the invoice details. So let's do that quickly. So now we'll come here to the item type. You can see that an account or item. So it's an item we're adding. So let's look for the item to add. Let's add this. You see here the price, the VAT. You can decide to add it or not. Then to set your discount, you can use percentage. So let's use 10% discount. So you can see this is the price, 600 naira. Then the discount is showing how much in naira was removed. That is 60 naira. Then the VAT that was added, that is 40 naira 50 kobo. So this is the total, 580.50 naira. So we can decide to add more items if we want. And decide to add more items. So let's also give discount. So we have the preview of everything. So once you are done, you can just say you can add an invoice note. So we can preview before submitting, before creating the invoice. So we have the total exclusive, the discount that was added, the total VAT, then the total amount. So once you are done, let's click create invoice. So we've successfully created the invoice. So now that we've created the invoice, we can decide to take some actions on the invoice. So this is the invoice we just created. So the actions, we can decide to print the invoice. We can delete if we don't want to have the invoice again. We can also decide to edit the invoice, create receipts. So these are all the actions that you can perform on this invoice. So let's check the editing part. So if you have anything you want to change, so you can just quickly change it. So I want to reduce the quantity to 2. So once we are done, update the invoice. So we've edited the invoice already. So let's go back. So that's how we can create new invoice, view invoice, and also edit the invoice. Thank you.